So when the stay-at-home order was put in place during the pandemic, one of the first things we did was start to put meal bundles together for our customers. It was a creative and convenient solution for our customers to come in and grab what they need, including the frozen protein for a meal at home, and get them back home and save. And I love the idea of these bundles. We had a blast coming up with the concepts and putting them together, and I wanted to take them a step further. So our new bundles are going to be a little bit different. First of all, we're working with local farms, ranchers, food artisans. We're really digging in and finding folks in our area who can supply us in small quantities for these bundles and get some really interesting things into folks' homes. Second, I wanted to make sure I put full-size products in the bundles because a lot of the meal delivery kits that are popular right now come with just what you need for that meal. And I can understand the point behind it, but I also know that I can get some good creative ideas into my customers' hands so they can make use of that full-size olive oil, full-size spice blend, and those full-size artisanal products. There's more meals you can create out of this bundle than just the one you get from us. Third, I wanted to make sure we added some love from Red Stick Spice, something homemade. So each bundle is going to have something that comes out of our kitchen. I am surrounded by amazing cooks. So whether it's homemade vegetable or chicken stock, or we make homemade flatbreads, or some sort of garnish for the meal, there's going to be something from us that we created with our hands for you guys in each bundle. And of course, recipes and instructions and lots of creative ideas for what you can do going forward with the products that you get in that bundle. You know, when you think about a pandemic and the good that could come from it, that's, you don't hear that very much, but it's crazy to think that this time challenged us to create this product that we're so very proud of now, and it's going to go on forever.